Consumers are now increasingly paying attention to sustainable spending and containing food waste, a phenomenon that every year is more than 1% of the GDP. Large retailers adapt with the initiative to support more conscious and environmentally friendly consumption. And 2 out of 3 consumers prefer to purchase in stores that present sustainability initiatives, with 7 out of 10 willing to change shop in favor to stores that offer products with sustainable packagings. For 23% of the consumers, the purchase of products with safe packaging has grown, and 1 in 5 of them prefer to buy from stores that promote sustainable products and initiatives as refill or bring back bottles. A trend also confirmed by a survey of the well-known Altro Consumo, according to which the 88% of respondents say it is not ethical to throw food, and 83% recognize the negative impact on the environment. But almost the 73% of the interviewed, however, think that the waste is attributed to the choices of the food industry on the distribution and catering, rather than to the family. The consumer is therefore considered ready to start this challenge for a sustainable and greener world, where in fact we are making great steps forward, and I'm going to describe an innovative idea that we are going to develop. As you know, the production of PET for plastic bottle is the main cause of ecological pollution, as it releases chemical toxic gases and methane that persist in the environment. 2.1 tons of plastic used for food packaging, of which 73% is used for food and 27% for drinks. Some of you remember the historical Votarrendere, a simple system that induced virtuous behavior in the consumers, returning glass bottles to the store to get back the deposit. Something similar will be finally possible even for the plastic world, or better, for PET, a material mainly used for bottles of water, milk, and other food liquids. This project has been presented in spring 2016 by 6 of the most mineral water producers and recyclers, as Ferrarelle, Lete, San Pellegrino, and so on, that represent together the 35% of the market. PET bottles can still be thrown with the other plastic materials, but an award will be introduced for the citizens who decide to insert them in the special eco-composters machines that will be installed gradually in the supermarkets. For each bottle reported will be recognized, in fact, an amount of 1.5 sentences to be detracted by the cost of the expenditure. The consortium says that more than 2,700 machines are ready to be placed in stores. The system could allow to collect in this way about 2 billion bottles every year. By stimulating the active participation of citizens, it will increase the recycling rates, which is at a rate of 43%. But the consortium says that it can arrive even to 80%.